With the right settings, customer orders placed in your webshop will be automatically added to the WebShippy system. The processing of orders is marked with different statuses. Ready status indicates that the order can be processed, prepared, packaged and sent. Error status shows our system experiences an error that prevents processing orders. These include incorrect addressing, unknown product, or incorrect shipping or payment method. In this case, you will need to correct your order details so that we can begin processing. It can also mean cases when the order contains a product selected from our marketplace, which you have to pay before processing the order. On hold means stopping order processing intentionally. You can modify orders in our system until we start compiling the package, and you have the option to turn services related to your orders on and off until the same time. These include, for example, snoozing, processing, invoice creation, exchange service, or urgent handling. If your order is processing, it means that processing has begun, the package will soon be closed and handed over to our delivery partner. And if you see fulfilled, it has already happened. The package is on its way and will soon arrive to your customer. Our system automatically transmits this to your webshop thanks to the data synchronization. Your order will be set to the relevant status according to the settings. If you have entrusted WebShippy with invoicing as well, the invoice will be generated at this point by our system with the invoicing program of your choice and setting. In some cases, customers do not take the packages sent. If that happens, they come back to us. We assign refused status to these orders. By default, feasible orders received by noon on working days are processed on the same day, so that the packages can be received by your customers on the next working day. Good news is that, thanks to our premium services, you can extend the noon deadline up to until 5 p.m. If any product in your order is out of stock, we will not be able to process your order until you submit or remove the missing product or products from the order. Orders on hold due to lack of stock can be found in the order processing menu. To learn the item number of the missing product, just move the pointer to the out of stock badge. If you need to procure one of the products of an order from our marketplace, we can only start processing the order after the product in question has been paid for. Our system warns you about this on the order page with a Get Products message. Of course, you can upload orders not only with automatic sync to our interface, but you can create them manually, one by one, or in bulk using an import. What information does an order contain? The following information is required to process orders placed on WebShippy. Details of the customer or buyer necessary for the delivery. This includes the name, telephone number, email address, delivery address, or the selected parcel point to which the parcel is to be delivered. Details of the products ordered. Item number, price, quantity, any discounts, coupons, fees charged. Delivery method, the way your customer wishes to receive their order. Payment method, the way the buyer paid for their order, or the amount of cash on delivery if the buyer pays for their package upon receipt. In case of an order sync, this information is automatically transferred to our system by your webshop, so you don't normally have to deal with it. On our admin interface, you can filter the list of orders by several parameters. You can list them by date, status, customer, country of destination, or you can search for orders that contain a particular product. By clicking on the Tools button in the top right, you can access functions such as stopping orders or making them for packaging, snooze order, processing, and import or export of orders. You can find more information about orders in our Help Center on the help.webshippy.com site.